Samuel Gashera Washege kuma itura ria Maina Nyahururu arahonokire ciarera kuma moko-ini ma muingi uraiuritwo ni matukuya uria uramutharikeire. Gitumi kiri akoretwo akinyarira mwana wake wa ukuru wa miaka 2 na njira ya kumuhura na kumuguraria uru.
The members of the public had already beaten the man and taken him to the AP camp at Maina. So we went and collected even the man himself, brought them to police station, and upon investigation, we have taken the child to hospital.
Kuratwika ati nyina wa mwana uyu matiganire na mundurume ucio ta mieri 7 mihituku, na kwa ihinda riu riothe nirio mwana uyu akoretwo akihurwo ni ithe o uria ningi uratwika ni munyui wa njohi.
He had not been giving the child food, and from the looks of things, the child has got wounds all over the body.
Gurara iria mwana uyu enacio iratwika ithegete kundu gutiganite, na borithi ni marathuthuria kana hihi aya gukorwo ni aranyariritwo kimwiri.
These private parts which are injured, was he also molesting him in terms of sexual harassment, so that we find out all this.
Guku mwana uyu akihonia gurara ici, borithi mwena ucio wa Nyahururu ni moritie muingi urute riboti egie ciana ingi iria ingikorwo iragerera minyamaro-ini ta iyo. Mwana uyu riu rungu rwa moko ma ruhonge rwa ciana ruria rukumuhe wikaro arekererio kuma thibitari. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Monica Kagoni.